What's up guys, my name is Kari SA and I'm back again with another sample. For this sample I started with a MIDI pack from All You Need Sounds, and I took the MIDI pack, I put it into a plugin called Cradle the Prince, and the preset that I used is called Late Delivery, and this is how it sounds like. I then took the same MIDI with the same presets, and for the second section of the sample I pushed it down. I filtered it down to -40% with the built-in filter from FL Studio, which is called Mod X, and this is how it sounds like now. I then added a bass with the same MIDI. I just took the MIDI and put it in a different plugin which is called Morphine from FL Studio, and the preset that I chose was Uptight Bass. I just took the bass notes of the MIDI and this is how it sounds like. And after that I added vocals from Cymatics, and the name of the pack is called Euphoria, and this is how the vocals sound like.
You don't know these streets like we do. You don't know these streets like we do. You don't know these we do.
And I also pitched up the vocals to make them sound a little bit faster and a little bit kinda childish, and this is how it sounds like. And after that I took the preset I took the same MIDI and I just stretched it a little bit more to get this eerie sound, and this is how it sounds like. I then added my own vocals to add harmony to what the vocals from Cymatics were already saying, and this is how my vocals sound like. You don't know the streets like we do. You don't know the streets like we do. You don't know the streets like we do. So I also, at the second section, pitched up my vocals by 1200 cents to also make them sound like it was a child singing them. And I'll show you the effects as the video progresses of what I added to my vocals to make them sound the way they sound. I then added a Cymatics perk loop, and I think the name of the perk loop is called Power Perk Loop, and this is how it sounds like. I then added a spiccato string as well as a solo violin from X-Band, and this is how it sounds like. And let me show you the effects that I used. So for my vocals, I added Valhalla Uber mode. I chose a preset for reverb so that I can add space to the whole vocal. I then added Echo Boy so that I can have delay on my vocal, as well as I added an EQ to shape the vocal even further. And then for the All You Need Sounds MIDI, I just added a EQ to shape the sound. And then for the vocals from Cymatics, I didn't do anything to them. And then for the master channel, I added a RVox stereo, which is a compressor plugin from Waves. I just wanted to add a little bit of punch to the sample, as well as raise the volume a little bit, so I didn't gain match it. So because I didn't do that, the compressor made the whole sample a little bit louder. And with that said, let me play you the final sample, and the final sample sounds like this.
You don't know these streets like we do. 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 You don't know these.
So yeah, that's the final sample. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it. As well as be on the lookout on your screen for the upcoming video, which is I'll be playing a beat where I flipped the sample, and the video will show on your screen. As well as, please don't forget to go to the description of this video to download my sample pack lunch and dinner if you haven't already. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you again next week. Thank you.